peace between the two neighbors. India got transit facilities from Dhaka and a promise that Bangladesh's territory would not be allowed to be used for insurgency in India's northeast. Sheikh Hasina's meeting in Agartala with Indian businessmen to boost trade between the two countries is the latest proof of the keenness of India's neighbors to improve their economic relations with New Delhi. The Times of India and its editorial running dry writes that Iran's retaliatory threats to blockade the Strait of Hormuz are likely to remain just that for the time being, threats given the power differential between its navy and the U.S. naval forces in the region. But even so, there is very real danger of Tehran using rhetoric and belligerent posturing to introduce uncertainty into the oil market and drive up prices. Applying the pressure the U.S. is bringing to bear, this spells bad news for India. More so than Europe and the U.S., Asian countries are going to be hit by the uncertainty about Iranian oil. India chief among them. As the second largest consumer of Iranian oil exports, which helps it meet 12% of its domestic needs, India can't afford to toe the American line. One option is to take advantage of the U.S. focus on building strategic links with India to leverage an exemption under the caveats built into the sanctions on Iran. Along with that, New Delhi should counsel Tehran that its interests can best be served by building bridges with the West.
That was a review of the Indian prayers. This is Benelo's service of All India Radio. We now bring you a talk titled Woman, the Multitasker. It's presented by Neema in the program Women's World.
Women constitute almost half of the population of the world and are an important segment of our society. Their contribution to the family, to the society, to the human race has been quite